If you're getting started with building and managing websites, having a good control panel is key. A control panel like Plesk makes it easy to handle important tasks like managing websites, apps, and servers all from one place. In this review, we're going to break down Plesk features, benefits, and things to consider so you can decide if it's the right tool for you. So first off, what is Plesk? Plesk is a web hosting control panel that helps you manage websites, domains, emails, and databases all in one simple dashboard. It's built to save time and make managing websites super simple and easy, whether you're new to this or have some experience. Plesk works with many operating systems, including different Linux options and Windows servers, so it fits well with various hosting setups. Now, why is a control panel important? A control panel like Plesk simplifies web management by giving you a clear and organized way to handle tasks. Instead of using complicated commands or jumping between tools, everything is in one place. It saves time, reduces errors, and makes website management way less stressful, especially if you're running multiple sites or managing different features like email and security. Let's go ahead and take a look at the key features of Plesk. 1. User-friendly interface. Plesk's dashboard is designed with simplicity and efficiency in mind, offering an intuitive experience for both beginners and advanced users. The interface organizes tasks like managing files, setting up domains, creating email accounts, and configuring DNS settings into straightforward categories. This reduces the complexity often associated with web hosting management and allows you to quickly find and execute the tasks you need. 2. WordPress toolkit. For WordPress users, Plesk offers an all-in-one WordPress toolkit that simplifies the management of WordPress websites. This toolkit includes features for one-click installation, automatic updates, and site cloning for staging and testing. It even provides tools to scan for vulnerabilities and strengthen your site's security. If you manage multiple WordPress sites, Plesk makes bulk updates easy, saving time and effort. 3. Security enhancements. Plesk prioritizes website security with a range of built-in protections. It includes a web application firewall to block common threats, malware scanning to detect vulnerabilities, and spam filters to keep your email safe. Additionally, SSL certificate management is fully automated, allowing you to secure your sites with just a few clicks. For users managing sensitive data, these features provide peace of mind and compliance with modern security standards. 4. Extensive ecosystem. Plesk boasts an extensive marketplace of extensions that allows you to add new functionalities to your hosting environment. Popular extensions include tools for SEO optimization, backup solutions, and developer-focused integrations like Docker and Git. These extensions make Plesk highly customizable, so you can tailor it to your specific needs, whether you're running an e-commerce site, a blog, or portfolio. 5. Multi-server management. For businesses or agencies managing multiple websites or applications, Plesk's multi-server management feature is a game changer. You can control and monitor multiple servers from a single dashboard, streamlining tasks like updates, backups, and performance monitoring. This centralized approach saves time and ensures consistency across all of your projects. 6. Compatibility across platforms. Plesk supports a wide variety of operating systems. This cross-platform compatibility ensures that Plesk can fit into almost any hosting setup. Additionally, Plesk integrates seamlessly with major cloud providers such as AWS, Google Cloud, and other platforms, making it a very versatile choice for cloud-based hosting. 7. Automated backups. With Plesk, you never have to worry about losing your data. The platform includes robust backup management tools that allow you to schedule automatic backups of your website, database, and emails. You can choose from daily, weekly, or custom schedules, and even store your backups in off-site locations for added security. 8. Developer-friendly tools. Plesk is built to support developers with advanced tools like Git integration and Docker support and command line management. These features enable developers to deploy applications faster, manage code, repositories, and run containerized environments directly from the Plesk dashboard. For teams working on complex projects, these tools streamline collaboration and development workflows. 9. Built-in email hosting. Managed email accounts is simple with Plesk integrated email hosting. You can create and manage email accounts for your domains, set up autoresponders, and configure spam filters. Plesk also supports protocols like POP3, IMAP, and SMTP, ensuring compatibility with most email clients. 10. Resource monitoring and analytics. Plesk provides detailed insights into your server's performance with its resource monitoring tools. You can track CPU, RAM, and disk usage in real time, ensuring that you're always aware of your server's health. These analytics help you identify and resolve issues before they become critical, which ensures uninterrupted performance for all of your websites. Lastly, 11. Easy website migration. If you're switching from another hosting platform, Plesk makes migration easy with its migration tools. You can transfer websites, databases, and email accounts seamlessly from other control panels like cPanel. This process is automated and minimizes downtime, making the transition smooth and hassle-free. Let's take a look at some of the pros and cons. Starting off with the pros. Comprehensive feature set. Plesk offers a wider range of tools that cater to various web management needs, from basic website setup to advanced development tasks. Another pro is cross-platform compatibility. Its support for multiple operating systems make Plesk a versatile choice for different hosting environments. environments. Next is scalability. Its various additions and extensions allow it to scale with your growing needs, whether you're managing a personal blog or a large number of client websites. Now, some of the cons. Complexity for beginners. The extensive range of features can be overwhelming for newcomers, potentially leading to a steeper learning curve. Cost considerations. As a commercial product, Plesk requires a license, and the associated fees might be a consideration for individuals or small businesses with limited budgets. Let's go ahead and take a look at the different pricing options and different plans. If you want to go ahead and get the best price possible, make sure you use our exclusive link in the description. Once you click that link, you'll be brought to this page. Here you can see they have a couple of different options. So first off, they have dedicated and VPS. They also have monthly and yearly plans. If you pay yearly, you will save a bit of money. Starting off with the dedicated. This plan is the Web Admin Edition Dedicated, and it starts at $15.49 per month, and it's built for website and server administration. You get 10 domains, Site Jet Builder, WP Toolkit, SE. And with the Web Admin Edition VPS, that's also $15.49, and you get these same features with it as well. Next is the Web Pro Edition Dedicated, and this is $26.99 a month, and this is complete solution for web developers and designers. You get 30 domains, Site Jet Builder, WP Toolkit, subscription management, and account management. The VPS version is also $26.99 a month, and you get all of the same features with it as well. Next is the Web Host Edition Dedicated, and this is $66.99 per month, and this is to build and grow your hosting business on Plesk. You get unlimited domains, Site Jet Builder, WP Toolkit, subscription management, account management, as well as a reseller management. And with the VPS option, that is just $49.99 per month. You get everything, all of the features included as the dedicated. And then lastly, they do have Partners Plan, which are business plans. This is the ultimate solution for scaling your business. You get offer all Plesk additions and extensions, Site Jet Builder, partner discounts up to 45%, priority 24/7 support, and a dedicated account manager. They also do have a free trial. So to get signed up, we'll go ahead and click that free trial. We'll go ahead and put an email address in, select your country, go ahead and click that you are human. Get trial. What you will have to do after that is follow the instructions on the email to get everything set up and ready to go. Now, is Plesk the right fit for you? If you're looking for a tool to simplify managing websites, emails, and servers all in one place, this is for you. It's great for anyone from individual site owners to businesses running multiple websites thanks to its flexibility and features. However, if you're completely new to web hosting or working with a tight budget, you may want to weigh the cost and take some time to explore its features before committing. That being said, it's important to keep in mind the learning curve for beginners and the cost of licensing. But if you're ready to invest in a reliable, feature-packed solution to streamline your web tasks, Plesk is definitely worth considering. If you want to get the best price possible, make sure you click our exclusive link in the description to get started. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. This channel is dedicated to helping you succeed in building and managing your online presence. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.